What's going on, guys? Crypto Renegade here for you. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a brand new crypto hardware wallet unboxing and review video for the new SecuX Nifty, which is the world's first NFT hardware wallet. This is actually a very interesting device at a very affordable price based on what's in the market, and I'll touch on some of the details, the features, the price, the coin support, and the security, of course, of this device. So stay tuned, you do not want to miss this one. All right, guys, welcome back. This is the brand new SecuX Nifty hardware wallet. This is a crypto hardware wallet company that is based out of Taiwan, and we're gonna take a look at not only unboxing this, we're gonna compare it to some of the other crypto wallets that are very similar to this, such as the new Ledger Stacks that has not yet come out, but this is gonna be something that's very close and very comparable, but also at a cheaper price and ultimately with more coin support. So without further ado, let me go ahead and unbox this. We'll take a look at those first impressions. And as I pull this open here, they have the actual device itself, the SecuX Nifty. Very nice packaging, very high quality packaging. This is just the outer shell that it comes in, but this kind of resembles the look of an iPhone in terms of its quality. Just taking a quick look at the first impression of the boxes, this has a full touchscreen display. We're going to talk about some of the security features and the transmission in a moment, but this is the newest edition of the SecuX wallet. It looks like it won the European Product Design Award, and this is officially the world's first NFT crypto wallet and hardware wallet, so that's pretty interesting. Obviously, you have some details on the back, multi-chain support, multi-grade security. You can personalize the gallery and then buy and sell directly. And then just a little teaser here, this is a Bluetooth device. So again, this will be very similar and comparable to the Ledger Stacks, which is far more expensive. Let me go ahead and unbox this here again. It says trade safe, store smart. So let me go ahead and use my keys here to undo this. And it looks like it has yet another seal. Now if I open this, the presentation is actually really nice here. What we're looking at is the Nifty device. As far as what comes in the box is the hardware wallet device itself, an aluminum recovery seed phrase, as well as paper recovery seed phrase, and then the USB-C charging cable. Now, most hardware wallets only come with the paper, but the aluminum seed is a nice touch. It's not as good as stainless steel or titanium, but it does allow you extra protection over paper for obvious reasons.
Oh no, my recovery seed phrase is on a paper in that car.
Pretty straightforward getting started guide, gives you the instructions, tells you to charge it for at least 2 hours. There's a QR code for you to download the mobile app from iOS or Android, which it's compatible with. And then of course you can manage the NFTs directly, and it shows you how to integrate with OpenSea, with Rarible, all the different marketplaces, and then of course your Web3 wallets like Connect Wallet, MetaMask, and so on. Looks like it's got a pull tab. So very nice high quality box. And ooh, okay. This is the Nifty. This has a 2.8 inch touchscreen LCD display. It's got a nice, very clean, we'll call it a chin here that just has the word Nifty on it. And then it appears that we have just a single button to power it on. Let me try that now. And then it's just got like a matte back. It's pretty thin. I mean, about as thin as an iPod. And then as you can see, the touchscreen, I can choose English. Walks me through setting up the device. Pretty seamless. You can set up your own personal PIN, 4 to 8 digits. I'm obviously not going to do that here, but one of the features of security that I want to point out here is this has a dynamic, ever-changing keypad. So there is no keylogger risk. It automatically, sort of like the Trezor One or even like the Key, it scrambles the numbers every time so that it can't be memorized and it can't be used to track your fingerprints or so on. So it's a pretty, as we'll call it, nifty feature, but that's one of the security features that I do like about this from what I was reading about it as well. This also has a CCEAL5 Plus security element chip, same as you're gonna get with the Ledger Nano X or the new Ledger Stacks, and it's pretty much standard across the board. There's only 2 hardware wallets that have a higher security element rating, the CCEAL6 Plus, which is on Hash Wallet, and then the king of the kings hardware wallets, the Ngrave Zero at CAL7. Overall, it feels pretty high quality. It doesn't feel cheap or it doesn't feel plasticky. I like the fact that there's a touch screen that you can just do whatever you want with. It's very responsive. It's very bright. On the bottom here, there's a sticker, and I think that's just to cover, as a good security measure, that's just there to have a seal to cover the USB-C port to ensure there's no man-in-the-middle attacks or anything like that. And pretty quality, high quality, and it looks and feels good. I'm not sure what this hole is, but I'm pretty sure that's going to be for the Bluetooth receiver. And then this right here, I don't know if it makes sound or if there's volume here, but this is a Bluetooth enabled device. So let me see what else here is in the box. We have our basic paperwork here where it gives you your 24-word recovery seed phrase. You can engrave it with the aluminum, and it gives you a metal engraver tool which will allow you to do that. If we pull this off here, you'll see here that there's the aluminum sheet, which you've seen in my previous videos. Obviously it's not as great as the stainless steel, but it is better than the paper where you can have some backups. And that's all included here, which is really nice. This is your USB-A to USB-C cable. This is for obviously charging the device. And then as far as, it doesn't look like there's an engraver tool in this, but you can basically use a metal pen. You can use any sort of sharp object if you want. In my other unboxing video for the SecuX X-Seed, they have an engraver tool, so I'll link that above so you can see what I'm talking about. It doesn't appear that they're including the engraver tool here with this Nifty that was sent to me, but still better than just the paper nonetheless, so pretty interesting. Now let's talk about, now that we've done the unboxing and the initial impressions and review, let's talk about some of the coin support, and then we'll end on the price and wrap it up there. As far as the coin support, what makes this unique is this is obviously designed for your NFT gallery that you can scroll and show off your visual NFTs. It has all your basic coin support, and when I say basic, and of course your Bitcoin, your Ethereum, all ERC20 tokens. It also has Binance Chain and all your BSC and BEP20 tokens, and it also has Polygon Matic, and all NFTs on BSC, Polygon, and Ethereum are all supported on this as well. It's my understanding that AVAX and Solana support is coming soon, but it's not currently there, but you're going to get basically the majority of all coins and tokens that are going to be supported on this. As far as any unique coins, I'll go ahead and link that on the screen here. As you can see, there are some coins that are sort of obscure, but they may be your cup of tea, I'm not sure. At any rate here, this is pretty standard in terms of coin support. So the main chains, obviously BSC, Polygon, Ethereum, and most major projects are on those chains now. If they add new coin support, I will do a follow-up and let you know from there, but so far so good. As far as the price, I'm going to go ahead and give you the disclaimer here of what the full retail price is as of shooting this video. As a disclaimer, there's a link down in the description which helps me out, and there is a discount of up to 15% off of whatever promotion is currently going on. So my link in the description, if you are interested in this wallet, is going to be the best possible price that you can ever get on the Nifty. With that said, this retails for $199, which actually isn't bad for having a full touchscreen display. It does have Bluetooth, which I'm not a huge fan of myself, which means it's not air-gapped. It does have a Bluetooth connection. However, I do like the full touchscreen display. I do like that this is the first NFT-focused hardware wallet. Now again, Ledger Stacks, which has not yet been released, is coming out with what they're calling an NFT-focused wallet and a different sort of larger touchscreen form factor and design, but that's going to be for $280 plus tax. This is coming in at only $199 at its full price, and it's roughly ends up being about $160, $170 with my discount in the code in description below. So for about $170, $160, whatever this ends up being with my discount, this is actually a pretty good value. I'm going to do a follow-up once I test it, make sure that the mobile app is working correctly, make sure that I can send and receive and do all those things. I have no doubt that I'll be able to successfully do all that, but I'll give my impressions of my experience after 30 to 60 days of actually using the device. I'm actually really excited to test this because this is something that's really needed in the market in terms of being NFT focused. So I'm really excited to see what they come up with. And the fact that they have more than just Ethereum NFTs already, they have BSC, all of their coins and tokens and their NFTs, as well as Polygon and Matic. That just makes it a lot better. Also has Web3 connections, Connect Wallet, also MetaMask integration. The security, again, is standard, I wouldn't call it subpar, but it is standard. It's about the industry standard of the CCAL5 plus security element chip. And as far as the overall price and what you get for the money, I think that this is pretty good, and I can't wait to test it out and let you guys know how it is. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns about this wallet, let me know down in the description and I'll include it in my next video. And in the meantime, go ahead and click here in the top right corner to check out the SecuX Xseed Plus and Pro videos, which are the Metal Recovery Seed backup companion devices to this hardware wallet. I will see you guys in that video right now. Crypto Renegade out.